Hey folks, Peter Ruckys here. If you've followed me for a while, you'll know that I have put out quite a few YouTube videos on OmniFocus, and people seem to be loving those, so that's great. But I know that different people prefer different apps for managing their tasks, and I know that in particular, Things 3 is an app that a lot of people love, and I myself really enjoy using Things 3 as well. So I figured, why not teach the same things except for Things 3? So this is my announcement. I've got my Things 3 video course coming out. It'll be live on August 23rd, but you can go ahead and pre-order it now. And actually, the first 25 people to pre-order it will get 50% off, so that's a good deal. So you might want to check the link in the video description out right now. But yeah, I'm super excited about this. I'm able to share my productivity workflows, my ways for organizing stuff, to people who would love to use things, and maybe that is you, or maybe that is someone you know. So definitely go check out the course page so you can see what the course is all about. It's called Organize Your Life with Things 3, and that's it. Ciao.